Hey guys, OneManOneCamera here. Today we're trying Popeyes TRUFF truffle sauce, or spicy truffle and spicy mayo or something like that. I saw it on the internet. Thought I'd give it a try. I got a combo. Coca-Cola spicy rice. No, sorry. That was KFC in the old days. Coca-Cola black beans and rice. How could I forget that? And their chicken sandwich, but I did not get the crispy one because it was like a 10-minute wait to get done. I got their blackened chicken. To see how it goes. Total price $11.37. Oh hey. All right. I am curious about this because they've added truffle oil to their. This is a tired-looking sandwich. Ooh, they added truffle oil. Jeez, this looks horrible, you guys. They added truffle oil to some spicy mayo. All right, let's see how it goes. Presentation-wise, this looks horrible. All right, you guys, horrible. There you go. They slathered on some of this truffle, some of this truff sauce, truff mayo. This is terrible. Let's take a bite. One more. Oh, they did put a they gave me the butt ends of the pickle. Country, really? Check it out. Those two little green hash marks. Those are the ends of the pickle. Jeez, I have never, in all the Popeye sandwiches I've eaten, or any kind of chicken sandwich which has a dill pickle on there, I have never ever received the butt end of the sandwich, of the pickle. I feel kind of insulted, you guys. Unless there's a mandate for those butt ends of the pickle to be used, then, or unless they say, well, you get the butt end along with other pieces, okay, fine. But just to, that's ridiculous. Seriously, that is really bad. Popeyes, Jesus. And just to laugh at me, right? Okay, sir, you know, you got one, we're gonna give you two little butt ends, knock yourself out. Popeyes, that ain't right. Not at all. Normally, I get the crispy sandwich, but they said 10-15 minute wait to be done, so the blackened one, it's okay. You know, nothing really special about it. The truffle sauce, or the spicy mayo sauce, just so-so. I don't see anything special about it. No heavy flavors, no heavy seasoning, I guess, or I guess flavors, no heavy flavors. It's just kind of there. So, not a nothing. But this truffle infused or mayo, or truffle infused mayonnaise, whatever you want to call it, just so-so. Would I buy it again? No, there's no reason to. It doesn't have any oomph for me. No problem, very good. To recap, presentation of that little chicken sandwich, it's terrible. It was smashed, couldn't believe it. They only put those little pickle butts on the sandwich, and the dill pickle is actually an integral part of these sandwiches they make. It has a little sour and crispiness, gives you something extra to the sandwich. I had chicken butts. I had pickle butts, which I have never seen before on a chicken sandwich anywhere across the region. Never. So I'm kind of disappointed, kind of pissed off too. So Popeyes, food-wise, is the first time you let me down. And I just, blah. Cannot believe it. Still can't believe that. Anyway, blackened chicken sandwich. First time I had one, just so for me. I don't think that the blackened chicken sandwich, along with the truffle mayonnaise or truff mayo, whatever you call it, is actually something for me. It didn't really grab me. There was no excitement to it. It was just there. So maybe you would like it, but for me, no, thank you. But oh well, guys, you know, wherever you go, food is always an adventure. Sometimes you get winners, sometimes you get losers, and sometimes you don't get enough pickle slices. All right, you guys, I'm your host, One Man, One Camera, saying if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care wherever you are. Have a great day. Maybe they ran out, and if so, they probably should say, hey, mister, you know, what's that old song? Yes, we have no bananas, or yes, we have no pickle slices. We have no pickle slices for you. We got tomato and lettuce and ketchup and barbecue sauce. We got an old-fashioned banana, but yes, we have no pickle slices. We have no pickle slices for you. That's what they should have sang when I walked in the place.